Okay.
Change the tune. Visit nationaldebtrelief.com to check if you qualify for debt relief today. That's nationaldebtrelief.com.
From Geico Subconscious News, I'm Tammy Rosenthal. Tonight,
Yep.
just left for work and had a non-specific feeling that
And that's why you
something is
secure your load.
Dan?
Exactly, Tammy. It could be smoke damage, theft, or just too much caffeine, but you can't stop thinking about it.
With renter's insurance through Geico, your stuff is covered, so you don't.
And that's why you pay attention too.
Watch out! These are people.
Yeah.
Citas.
I hear the drums echoing tonight. She hears only whispers of some quiet conversation.
Whoa. What the? What the idiot?
104.5 WJJK. So Lindsey Buckingham attacked by a stalker. Yeah, he's okay, doing fine, maybe a little shook up, and you can check out the full story at 104.5WJJK.com.
Current loop video is now locked.
Ja,
Det var ingen här.
ja, verkligen. Ja, men alltså de är bättre än den här med på. Oj, jävlar. En idiot.
Jag såg inte man har kört upp.
Ja. Oh my god.
Oh my god! Oh! Holy dude, what the?
Dude, what
Okay,
the?
wait, you pull over, get out of the intersection, babe. Do you want to check to make sure everyone's alright?
Yeah.
Second time.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're in the Thelma's house.
just referenced Maggie Oliver, they knew, who's taking things to court. Perhaps they should join forces. That is not a bad idea, Joanna. Thank you for all your comments on that matter. I want to go back to the Middle East, the fact of what is happening today, but also why it is happening, and of course the timeline of events.
Oh, God.
Big little brother. Pellet frowned, flexed his shoulders, pursed his lips. I feel free. Kelcher's throat constricted around her reply. Freedom had been...
The great God, say somebody AirPods with you. That's Saturday. I'm here.
Save video.
We're having a good time playing all your favorite.
Save video.
All the love songs.
See what I mean?
As you can possibly imagine, we're squeezing in there.
Whole road behind. Nobody fucking behind.
Roses are grown in preparation for Valentine's Day. How about that?
Uma coisa ela falou outra. Ela falou assim que não, e a Pri falou não. Cura diabetes, não cura diabetes. Just goes low. Mas se segura aí. Segura, mãe. Stupid!
Oh, Jesus Christ! Are you serious?
Trae para vos una experiencia única de pureza y frescura. Con un purificador de última generación, ofrecemos agua ozonizada tratada con sistema láser y rayos ultravioleta.
Whoa! Lock video. Lock video. Lock video.
Holy dude. Are you kidding me? Oh. Holy dude. Are you kidding me? Oh.
Wow. Keep going.
Hi, baby.
No, that's not how you do it. What was that?
Continue on Wheat Boom Drive for 600 meters.
Forwards.
Yeah, it's not like 20 minutes.
There and then 20 minutes back.
Yeah.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Fucking wanker.
Never let a motherfucker come away and break my heart. For the winners to the never let him rock right. Never let a motherfucker come away and break my heart. For the winners to the middle, little rock right. And I spice and remove. This mental, you spy while your heart's made a drum. One thing I want blood, so there's one thing to do.